Hello there, adventurers of the financial world, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're buckling up for an exciting expedition into the tantalizing terrain of passive income. Picture this: a life where your wealth multiplies, while you're indulging in your morning coffee or sunbathing on an exotic beach. Unreal, you may think, but hold your thoughts there. This is not just a wild fantasy, it's a very possible reality that countless people are living, and you could be next. Passive income, the magical money multiplier, can build your even when you're not on the grind. It's your passport to financial liberation, and in this digital age, the possibilities are endless. The caveat? Raking in an impressive 10 grand a month passively is not a walk in the park. It calls for a clever plan, focused effort, and yes, of patience, but fear not. For we're about to dive into 5 robust passive income strategies that could pave your way to financial independence in 2024. So, tighten your seatbelts, because today we're revealing these game changers. First up, we have YouTube channel with ads and sponsorships. This is an exciting and dynamic way to generate a substantial passive income. It starts with creating a YouTube channel around a topic that you're passionate about. This could be anything from tech reviews to cooking tutorials, or even vlogging your day-to-day life. The key is to create content that is engaging, entertaining, or educational, and that resonates with a specific audience. Once you've built up a substantial number of subscribers and views, you can begin to monetize your channel in 2 main ways. The first is through ads. YouTube allows you to run ads on your videos, and you earn revenue each time a viewer watches or clicks on these ads. The second way is through sponsorships. Businesses are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products or services, and being a YouTuber with a dedicated audience makes you a prime candidate for these opportunities. Now, you might be wondering, how much can you actually make from a YouTube channel? Well, the answer is, it depends. Some YouTubers are making a few $100s a month, while others are raking in thousands or even tens of thousands. For instance, let's take a look at MrBeast, PewDiePie, and 𝗏𝗏𝗏, also known as MKBHD. These are creators who have managed to turn their passion into a lucrative business, earning millions annually through their YouTube channels. But remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, creativity, and a dash of patience. It's about creating quality content, building an engaged community, and continuously finding ways to improve and grow. And while it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme, with the right strategy and dedication, a YouTube channel can become a significant source of passive income. So, if you've got a knack for creating engaging content, this could be your ticket to passive income. Just remember, every journey starts with a single step. So why not take that step today and start creating your own YouTube channel? Next, we have another potentially lucrative idea: creating and selling online courses. If you're skilled or knowledgeable in a particular area, it's high time to consider sharing that expertise with others. And the best part? You can earn a handsome income while doing so. Creating an online course involves consolidating your knowledge into a structured, digestible format. This could be video content, written guides, webinars, or even interactive quizzes. The key is to provide value. Your course should empower students with new skills, insights, or perspectives. Once you've created your course, you're going to need a platform to host and sell it. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera are excellent places to start. These platforms not only provide you with the technical infrastructure, but also bring a ready audience to your proverbial doorstep. But don't stop there. Promote your course through social media, email newsletters, and even collaborations with other content creators. Remember, the more visibility your course gets, the higher the chances of making a sale. So, how much can you earn? Well, that depends on the price of your course and the number of students. Some successful course creators have reported earnings in the 6-figure range annually. But even if you're starting small, with the right strategy and persistence, the sky's the limit. Take 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, Tim Ferriss, and 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, for example. They've made significant income by selling courses on topics ranging from business and productivity to photography. Just like them, you too can turn your knowledge into a profitable online course. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Think about it. You're not only earning passive income, but also contributing to the learning journey of countless individuals around the globe. Now that's what we call a win-win situation. Moving on, let's talk about setting up an e-commerce store with dropshipping. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering what dropshipping is, think of it as a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. Intriguing, right? Well, setting up an e-commerce store is easier than you might think. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce provide easy-to-use templates to get your online store up and running. The real challenge, however, lies in selecting the right products to sell and marketing them effectively. Researching market trends, understanding customer needs, and finding reliable suppliers are crucial steps in this process. And when it comes to marketing, social media advertising, email marketing, and search engine optimization can be your best friends. Now, let's talk numbers. With dropshipping, your earnings can vary greatly depending on the price of the products you're selling, the cost of advertising, and the platform you're using. However, with a well-executed strategy, it's entirely possible to generate a substantial income stream. Take a look at Cameron Dallas, Kylie Jenner, and 𝗬𝗂. They've all leveraged the power of dropshipping to create successful e-commerce stores. Cameron Dallas, known for his social media influence, launched his clothing line with a dropshipping model. Kylie Jenner and 𝗬𝗂, on the other hand, leveraged their celebrity status to create beauty brands that use dropshipping for some of their products. Remember, while dropshipping can provide an excellent passive income, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, dedication, and a keen understanding of your market. But with the right product and marketing strategy, this could be a goldmine. Our fourth idea is blogging with ads and sponsored content. Now, blogging may sound old school to some, but let's not forget it's one of the original pillars of the digital world. And guess what? It's still very much alive and kicking. First, you need to create a blog. This could be about anything you're passionate about, be it food, fashion, technology, travel, or even personal finance. The beauty of blogging is that it gives you the freedom to express yourself, share your thoughts, and connect with like-minded people. Next, let's talk about monetization. One of the most traditional ways is through ads. You can sign up for a program like Google AdSense, which allows you to earn money whenever your blog visitors click on the ads displayed on your site. But here's where it gets interesting. Sponsored content. This is when a company pays you to write a blog post about their product or service. It's a win-win situation. The company gets exposure to your audience, and you get paid for your effort. Let's talk potential earnings. Your income from blogging really depends on the traffic you generate. If you're able to attract a substantial audience, you could be looking at anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s a month. Examples? Well, take a look at 𝗬𝗂 𝗬𝗲, a fashion blogger who turned her passion into a multi-million-dollar empire. Or 𝗬𝗬 𝗬𝗲, who built a successful personal finance blog and now earns a substantial amount from his online courses. And then there's the travel blogging duo, Jack Morris and Lauren Bullen, who have turned their love for travel into a profitable business. The key to successful blogging is consistency, quality content, and authenticity. Remember, it's not just about selling products, it's about building trust with your audience. If you love writing and have a topic you're passionate about, blogging could be your path to passive income. Last but not least, we have affiliate marketing. This is a marketing practice where a business rewards you for each visitor or customer brought in by your own marketing efforts. You can start by choosing a niche you're passionate about, then finding products or services within that niche to promote. These products could range from digital courses and ebooks to physical products or even services. The key here is to promote products that you genuinely believe in and that provide real value to your audience. Once you've established your niche and found products to promote, You can start creating content around these products and sharing your affiliate links. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a commission. Take a cue from affiliate marketing pros like Neil Patel, Zach Johnson and John Chow, who've made a significant income from this method. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn passive income, especially if you've got a strong online presence. There you have it, folks, 5 passive income ideas to fuel your financial freedom journey in 2024. Let's quickly revisit these golden opportunities. We started with the idea of a YouTube channel with ads and sponsorships, a platform where creativity and consistency reign supreme. Then we moved on to creating and selling online courses, a path that allows you to share your expertise with the world. Our third idea, an e-commerce store with dropshipping, is an excellent way to delve into the world of online selling without the hassle of inventory. The fourth idea was blogging with ads and sponsored content, a timeless method to share your thoughts and monetize your passion. Lastly, we discussed affiliate marketing, a strategy that allows you to earn by promoting other people's products or services. Each of these ideas has the potential to deliver that $10,000 a month, or even more. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep building your financial future.